This is one of the most common questions I get from my clients. I hired an architect. Can they do the soundproofing plans? In most cases, no, and that's not a knock on architects. Let me explain why. All right, I'm Wilson Harwood, and I am a studio designer and acoustician based in Nashville, Tennessee, and I design soundproof spaces all over the United States and Canada. Let's dive into how an architect can augment your team, not destroy it. All right, here we go. Architects are phenomenal at structure, codes, coordinating projects, working with local builders, developing your team, seeing the vision of the whole project, aesthetic choices. The list goes on and on. Architects are professionals in the design build industry. There's no reason to knock architects at all. The problem is that soundproofing is not a building problem, it's a physics problem. And it's something that architects, plain and simply, are not trained on. And even if they're trained on a little bit with room acoustics and isolation, they don't have extensive training. And then they certainly don't have training in home recording studios specifically. So when we look at an architect's education, it barely touches acoustics and sound isolation. Usually STC ratings are a box to check to match code requirements in, say, a condo or an apartment building. HVAC noise, flanking paths, soundproofing assemblies, soundproof doors and windows are not something an architect readily has available in their toolkit or in their expertise to use on your specific sound isolation project. Plainly stated, architects are trained to design buildings that meet code. They're not designed to create sound isolated systems. The best projects I've ever seen use a team approach. The architect is in charge of the building and the overall design, and also being the expert on the local codes of your region. The studio/soundproofing expert is in charge of delivering detailed design plans for the isolated room or rooms, but not the overarching architectural plan of the whole building or house. Lastly, the contractor is there for execution. They take the plan set from the architect or the soundproofing designer, or just the soundproofing designer if in the end there's only one plan, and they execute. They build what's on the plans, and that's their realm of genius. That's where they live, and that's what they do best. When one person tries to do all three, that's when projects get loud and expensive. I just want to let that sit for a second, because this is really important. We're tempted to not want to hire multiple people for a project to keep the costs down on the overall budget. And I get it. 100% I would want to do the exact same thing. But the longer I've been in this business, the more I've realized that every great project is like anything else that we deal with at a high professional level in the world. Take, for example, a surgery room. The surgeon is not responsible for also being the anesthesiologist. They're two completely separate jobs in the same exact room. Now, I know that seems high-end and sort of like, duh, Wilson, but it should be a duh in this case as well. The architect has their own lane, the studio designer has their lane, and the contractor builder has theirs. If you already have an architect, don't replace them, augment them. Ask your architect if they've coordinated with a soundproofing studio designer before, or some sort of sound isolation expert before. If not, no big deal. Then you can tell them, hey, to do this project right, we need to fill that gap in your expertise. It's not a knock on them. This protects their own, ego around their performance as an architect, but it also shows that you're serious about the project, and it also makes sure that they're serious about the project at the same time, because any architect who pushes back on that is probably not someone you want doing the full studio design or soundproofing design for your room. So if you're early in the process, if you're listening to this video or watching this video and you're like, man, this is exactly where I'm at, then you're in a great spot. This is the perfect time to try to find that person who can fill the gap between the architect and the contractor. The person who can bring that whole project together and make sure it lands exactly where you want it. To do that, I highly recommend reaching out and signing up for a Soundproof planning call. This is 30 minutes where I can just talk through your project, see if we're a good fit working together, and see if your project is even viable as something that you should take on in the first place. If you're interested in doing that, you can sign up right away. Just go to soundproofyourstudio.com/step1, and you can sign up for a slot on my calendar. I look forward to talking to you soon. My name's Wilson Harwood. Again, I design soundproof studios all over the United States and Canada, and I look forward to seeing you all next week with more information on soundproofing and room acoustics.